Hi children, today we will do exercise 14.6 question number 8 and 9. Okay, now you have to construct the copy of the given angle. Now what is the angle given here children? Draw an angle of 70 degree. First you have to draw an angle of measure 70 degree. What is the first step for drawing an angle? You have to draw one ray and mark the starting point of the ray. And what is the next step? Take your protractor and place the midpoint of the or center point of the protractor at the starting point and the zero edge along the ray, okay, and zero edge along the ray, center of the protractor at the starting point and zero edge along the ray and 70 degree. Whereas look at the inner scale, you can see 70 degree here. Mark a point there. And by using your ruler, you just draw a straight line. By using your ruler, you just draw a straight ruler and pencil, you draw a straight line. This angle will be 70 degree angle. This is 70 degree angle. Okay, so how to draw an angle is clear for everyone. First you have to draw one ray and mark the starting point of the ray and place the center of the protractor here and the zero edge along the ray, and you look at the inner scale, where is 70 degree, mark a point there, and by using your ruler and pencil you draw a line. Okay, now this is 70 degree angle. Now what is other part of the question? Make a copy of it using only a straight edge and compass. You have to draw a copy of this particular angle. Now how will we draw the copy of an angle? For drawing the copy of this given angle, what you have to do children? First you have to draw one line. What is the first step? First you have to draw one line. For making the copy of this given angle, what you have to draw? What you have to do? You have to draw one line first and name it as L. Okay. Now what is the next step? Mark a point here. Mark a point here. Okay. We need a copy of this given angle, this particular angle. So what you have to do? First you have to draw one line and mark a point on this particular line. I am giving this as line P. Mark this point as P. Okay. Now what is the next step? Place the pointer of the compass here at this vertex point with any convenient radius. I am telling you again and again, with any measure you draw one arc which intersects these two rays at 2 points. With any measure you draw one arc which intersects this at 2 points. Okay. So we need a copy of this particular angle. For that what you have to do first? Place the pointer of the protractor, pointer of the compass here, and with any convenient measure you draw one. With any convenient measure you draw one arc which intersects these two rays at 2 points. Okay. So now after that, without changing the compass measure, after drawing this arc, without changing the compass measure, place the pointer of the compass at P and you draw one arc which intersects the line L. Which intersects the line L. After drawing this arc, without changing the compass measure, what you have to do? Place the pointer of the compass at P and draw one arc which intersects this L at one point, and I am giving this as Q. Okay. Any letter you can give. Now we need a copy of this given this particular angle. For that what you have to do? What is the next step children? Now you place the pointer of the compass here. Place the pointer of this compass, this intersecting point, and take this measure. This arc measure you take it. Place it here and take this arc measure. This arc length you take it. This arc length. Place the pointer of the compass here. Place the pointer of the compass here and you take this arc length. This arc length you take it. Okay. And without changing the compass measure, place the pointer of the compass at Q and cut one arc in this previous arc. cut one arc in this previous arc, mark this intersecting point, and by using your ruler and pencil, just draw a straight line. By using your ruler and pencil, draw a straight line. This angle will be 70-degree angle. This angle will be 70-degree angle. If there is a doubt, you just check it. This angle will be 70-degree angle. Okay. This angle will be 70-degree angle. This angle will be 70-degree angle. I hope this is clear now. Okay. So make a copy of it without using protractor. We constructed a copy of this particular angle. Okay. Now move to the next question. Draw an angle of 40-degree. Copy its supplementary angle. We need to copy the supplementary angle. Supplementary angles means what? Sum of two angles is 180-degree. Okay. And what you have to do here, children, first you need to draw an angle of 40-degree. That means first you draw one ray. Then mark the starting point clearly and correctly, and place center of the protractor here, and zero edge. Do one thing. We need the copy of the supplementary angle. So we just draw one line, that is better. Okay, mark one point. If you are drawing ray also, no problem. Okay, and center of the protractor here and zero edge here. And where is 40-degree? This is 40-degree. Okay, this is 40-degree. And by using your scale, by using your ruler, you just draw a straight line. This angle will be 40-degree angle. This angle will be 40-degree angle. This angle will be 40-degree angle. Okay. This angle will be 40-degree angle. Okay. This angle will be 40-degree angle. Okay, children. Now what you have to need here? We need the copy of its supplementary angle. That means this is its supplementary angle. This is 140. This will be 140-degree. We know that sum of the angles in a straight line is 180-degree. Okay, sum of the angles in a straight line is 180-degree. So we can say that if this is 40, this will be 140-degree. So we need to copy of this supplementary angle. So how will we draw the copy of the supplementary angle? For drawing the copy of the supplementary angle, what you have to do, children? First you draw a line. And mark a point. First you draw a line and mark it as L. And mark a point here. And what is the next step? You need the copy of the supplementary angle. So what you have to do, children? Place the pointer of the compass here. With any convenient measure, you draw one arc in this part. Okay. And after drawing the arc, without changing the compass measure, place it on this point. And draw one arc here which intersects this line at one point. Okay, Okay, that means this intersecting point, I am giving this as D, whatever it is. First step is clear. We need a copy of its supplementary angle. Okay, so supplementary angle means we need the copy of the supplementary angle. What is supplementary angle of 40-degree? 40-degree supplementary angle is 140-degree. Supplementary angle means sum of two angles is 180-degree. So 140 plus 40, what is the answer? 180-degree. So 140 plus 40, what is the answer? 180-degree. 180-degree. So supplementary angle of 40-degree is 140-degree. So we need a copy of its supplementary angle. For drawing the copy of its supplementary angle, what you have to do, children? Place the pointer of the compass here. With any measure, you draw one arc which intersects this at 2 points. Okay, here one point, here one point. Okay, and without changing the compass measure, we already draw one line and mark a point. and place the pointer here. Without changing the compass measure, you draw one arc in this particular line which intersects at a point D here, which intersects a point here. Okay. Now what is the next step? Take this arc length. Take this arc length, children. Take this arc length. This is our arc, is it? Take this arc length. Take this arc length and place the take this arc length and place the pointer of the compass at this point, and without changing the compass measure, you cut one arc in this previous arc. Okay, without changing the compass measure, so this arc length we need, this arc length, and without changing the compass measure, place it at D and cut the previous arc. Okay, and mark the intersecting point, without changing the compass measure, this arc length, I am telling, this arc length, without changing the compass measure, draw one arc in the previous arc and mark the intersecting point, and by using your ruler you just draw a straight line. So this angle will be 140 degrees. So we copy of its supplementary angle. By using your protractor, you want, if you can measure it, okay, 140 degree angle. 140 degree angle. Okay, this angle will be 140 degree angle. Okay, I hope this is clear now. That's all for today. This would be completed this lesson. Thank you and have a nice day.